Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to design printable t-shirts and hoodies using Canva. I mean, t-shirts and hoodies that you can print and get it delivered to your doorstep. Before we get started, please like this video so that other people can see and benefit from it. And remember to subscribe right now and turn up notification so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it. So let's get started. The hoodie is going to just look something like this, and I'm going to show you how to design it with Canva. But before we even get started, make sure that Canva delivers to your region. Okay, just go to the Canva website and you'll be able to see all the delivery details there. I'm going to put the link to that in the description below as well. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do, all right, once you log in to your Canva, is just search for this area where you see print products. So click on it. Once you click on the print product, you're going to see different products that you can print. All right, but our focus for this video is to go to sweatshirt, hoodies, or t-shirts. So you decide which one you want to print. So let's start with t-shirt, for example. So if you click on this t-shirt, so it's going to bring you here and you can decide, there are different templates that is already made by Canva, but if you like, you can design your own. So for example, let's just take one of these templates. So I'm just going to click on this one, right? And you can see this is looking really good. One thing that you need to note is that Canva will not print the background of this particular design, so it will just show all of this. Keep calm and go fishing. So maybe you want to be designing t-shirt for people who are into fishing, or you want to design it for people who are into digital marketing. Just whatever it is, your niche, just decide. Okay, so once you are done designing, let's assume that this is the one you want to design, or you want to change this, you can easily change it. For example, keep calm and smile. For example, you could say keep calm and smile, right? But you can see that this is actually for fishing. So, but I'm just showing you that you can actually design this and change it the way you like. So keep calm and go fishing. Once you're done with that, just click on print t-shirt. All right, so once you click on print t-shirt, it's going to bring out the mockup. Okay, so you can click on this to see more details. So this is how it's going to look like on your t-shirt, and Canva prints colors, full color of this, so it's gonna look very, very amazing. Let's close this. Now let's assume that you want to print at the back of the t-shirt as well. You can do that with Canva. Now for instance, look at this. This is for the front page, and you can see the back is actually blank. So you can print the same thing on the front and the back. So you see it's gonna be on the front and it's gonna be at the back. But I like to print other things at the back. So for example, let's say you want to print your name at the back, right? So I'm just going to put this. So I'm just going to say, let's say Sola Mathew. All right. So I'm just going to expand this a bit. And if you like, you can change the font. So let's say I want to use this font, or let's just go with this. Okay. And then let's make it bold. Now, once you're done designing whatever you want to design, maybe you want to even add your logo, you can add your logo here. Okay, so once you're done with that, then come back to this place, right, where we have back, and choose the second design and make sure that it shows here. Okay, so it's going to show here, and you have to take note, because sometimes if you print, some people make that mistake and then they make their design black, and then by the time they are printing it, it might not be showing on this, because remember that this is a black t-shirt. So make sure that you print something in contrast with the color of the t-shirt. So for example, let's say this has the white background. Okay, and then we make this black, just to illustrate what I'm talking about. Now if I come and preview it here, you see that it's not showing because this t-shirt is also black. So make sure you print something constructing. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this white again. All right, you see, once I make it white again, it's now appearing here. So that is it. So once you're satisfied with this, you can choose, maybe it is for a man or for a woman. So here it's style for men, so I can choose men. So as you can see here, it also brings out that of men. If you want it for kids, you can do that, maybe for youth, for toddler, for infant. It will show, it will give you all you need to know. So maybe you want to design t-shirts for yourself, for your family, and for your loved ones, or even you want to design t-shirts to sell to people, you can do that with Canva. So once you're done, with that, make sure that you select the age as well, or your size. So for example, let's say I want to design for men, I can just scroll down here and choose my size. So XXL, XL, or whatever design you want to make it. And here is where you choose the price. So you can, depending on your country, the prices are going to vary. So just choose your price here. So if you want to design like 2, 3, 4, Canva gives discount. Once you're done with that, just click on checkout, and Canva is going to ask you for your address. So make sure that you put your address and phone number here. Phone number, I think you should just add your phone number so that it makes the delivery super easy. So once you're done, just click on continue and add your bank details, and then you check out, right? So if I click on continue, for instance, Canva is going to ask me, maybe if I have a coupon code, I can put it here, and then I just click on place order, and it will go like that. Now let's quickly show you, I'm going to show you how to use there's one that I already designed, so I want to print it out, and I'm going to show you. So this is it. So what I did here was that I just created the hoodie. So it's the same thing, right? You just go to where you have, instead of printing t-shirts, so click on the hoodie one, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you to where, just like we designed that t-shirt. Okay, so but I have already designed it, so I just put my logo here, and then I use I use Canva to write this text here. Now once you are satisfied with your design, just come here and preview it. So this is how it's going to look on the hoodie, right? So once you are satisfied with that, I'm not writing anything at the back, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Or I could just write maybe like SolaMathew.com at the back as well, but I'm just gonna leave it the way it is right now. Once you're satisfied with that, I am choosing adult, and then I will scroll down to XL. So make sure that you change this to your desired size, okay? Because it would be nice maybe after you've printed your t-shirt and then you find out that it's not your size. Okay, so if you want to compare, you can click on compare to see exactly how the sizes are going to be. Once you're satisfied with that, just go ahead and click on checkout. So before I check out, I just want to be sure that I have all that I need. Okay, so I just want to be double sure that I actually choose the XL, right? This is XL and this is the price. So I just click on checkout once again, and once you click on checkout, just come and click on continue. Make sure that you put your details, where you're going to get it delivered to. Now there's a coupon code that I have, so I'm just going to copy that coupon code, and then I'm going to put it on Canva, and then I'll click on apply. Coupon code has been applied, right? You see, so I have zero money that I'm going to pay. Now this is because Canva gave me this special coupon for a reason. So this coupon code might be available for some users once in a while, but I've already ordered something before, so Canva is just giving me this coupon code. So it's not like I just got it somewhere. Okay, so but if you want to print any other one, for example, if I want to print any other designs, I will have to pay for it. So once you are satisfied with your payment, or if you have a coupon code, just apply it and then click on place order. Now Canva is placing or processing your order. Hooray! So they said your order has been received, and they will send notification to my email, right? The same thing they're going to do for you. So you could go to print orders, or go to your home page. So I'm just going to click on print orders. So as you can see, Canva is processing my shipping. They are going to send it to a print station and then it will be delivered to my house, and I can actually view my invoice and even track my order from here. Yeah, that is it, guys. So that's how to design hoodies or t-shirts with Canva. If you have any question about this, please drop it in the comment section, and remember to like this video so that other people can see it, and subscribe to this channel and turn up notifications so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first person to know about it. Talk to you later. Cheers.